Lesson 1, Touring Excel, Task 2. You recently been hired as a marketing specialist for bike tours and adventures, and you've enrolled yourself in a class to learn how to use Excel. In this practice, you will start Excel, familiarize yourself with the Excel window, change your view of the worksheet, and practice moving around the worksheet using the mouse and the keyboard. Step 26. Start Excel if necessary and open the bike tours from the data files for this lesson. Step 27. Save the file as biketours_xx in the location where your teacher instructs you to save it. Step 28. Replace the text XX with your own first name and last name. Step 29. Click cell B1. Type your name and press enter. Step 30. Increase the zoom to 150%. Scroll to the left and up if necessary to see your own name. Step 31. Hide and redisplay these screen elements. The ribbon. The formula bar. The grid lines. Step 32. Change the page layout view, then back to normal view. Step 33. Click Home, click Find and Select, click Go To. Step 34. In the reference text box, type AL29. Step 35. Click OK. Step 36. Click Home, if necessary, and click Copy. This copies the contents of cell AL29. Step 37. If necessary, click your Home tab, then click Find and Select, then click Go To. Step 38. In the reference text box, type F5. Step 39. Click OK. Step 40. If necessary, click the Home tab and then click Paste. This pastes the contents of cell AL29 to cell F5. Step 41. Press Control Home to return to cell A1. Step 42. Save and close the file and exit Excel.